In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of CoinGecko account. If you've been browsing prices, managing your watch list, or just finished researching a few coins, it's a good idea to sign out, especially if you're on a shared or public device. I'll walk you through the process so you can do it quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and head to CoinGecko's website. You can type the address directly into your browser's address bar. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the account options appear. Make sure you're already signed into the account you want to log out of. If you're not signed in, you won't see the sign out option, and you'll typically see a sign in or register button instead. Once the home page is visible, look toward the top right corner of the site for your profile area. This is usually shown as a small circular avatar, your initial, or a user icon. On smaller screens, you might see a menu icon first. Opening that will reveal the same profile area. Clicking the profile icon will open a small drop-down menu tied to your account settings and actions. In that drop-down, look for the sign out option. It's commonly listed near other account-related links, and it does exactly what it says. Logs you out of your current session on that browser. Go ahead and click sign out. CoinGecko will immediately end the session tied to that browser window or tab. After signing out, you'll know it worked when the profile icon changes back to generic options like sign in or register, and certain features like quick access to your watch list will prompt you to log in again. If you had multiple tabs open on CoinGecko, the others may update to reflect that you're no longer signed in when you switch back to them. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. If you're using a device that other people also use, always sign out when you're done to protect your account and any preferences you've set. If you rely on autofill or saved passwords, remember that signing out doesn't delete those saved credentials from your browser. It just ends the active session. That way, you'll still be able to log back in later without retyping everything, as long as your browser has those details saved. That's all there is to it. Go to CoinGecko, click your profile icon, and choose Sign Out. It's a simple habit that keeps your account secure and your browsing tidy. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, you're all set to sign out safely whenever you need to.